Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Rosalyn Tambis, 23 years old, turning 24 this coming November 3. I am from San Pablo, San Mariano, Isabela. I have 3 siblings and I am the youngest. I completed my Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics at Our Lady of the Pilar College, Kawayan.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I am passionate about teaching and helping students to learn and grow. I am currently teaching at St. Thomas Montessori de San Mariano School, where I taught grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, and grade 9. I also had my experience during my practice teaching, where I taught junior high school students. I also have experience as a housekeeper with a family of 3. 1 couple and 1 child. I do cleaning and I also help their child with her school works.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. Good day, ma'am. So, I hope you consider me as one of your employee. I am a hardworking and dedicated person who is passionate about teaching and serving your institution. Thank you.